Hi, my name is Gurshan, and now we're gonna be playing with the Mighty Express mission station. Before we start, we're gonna put on some stickers.
Hooray!
Let's put the first sticker on. It goes right here. Then the next sticker is a picture of a duck. It's gonna go right over here.
Hooray!
The next sticker, which goes on the workshop, where you can fix all your trains. Now the next sticker is gonna go right here. The next sticker goes on the back of the workshop. It goes right here. This is the red train that we're gonna be using to get the load that's over there. Okay, so now the train first needs a wash because the train was very dirty. So we're gonna take the train on the yellow part. We're gonna spin. So the train is going to wash.
Hooray!
Now the train has been washed, so let's go get the load.
Hooray!
Oh, we found the load. Oh no, we have a problem. There's a big bad wolf in the way. He also has a rocket on the back. Hey wolf, what do you want to do with our load? I want the load. It's mine, not yours. I can't give it to you. My boss said I can't give the load to anyone. If you don't give me your load, I'm gonna use my rocket and I'm gonna break your train. Oh no, don't do that. Let me just call my boss and see what he has to say. Hey boss. Oh hi, there's a wolf trying to break my train because I won't give him the load. Wait, is there someone covering the load? Who is he? It's a big bad wolf near the load. He's blocking it, so I can't get to it. The big bad wolf? That's not good news. What are you gonna do? Okay, let's go see what he wants.
Hooray!
Since they're gone, there's no one to protect the train, so I can just break it and take the load for myself. Yay! Boss, I think he's gonna break the train. Let's go hurry. Okay, that's it. They're taking too much time. I'm gonna break the train. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is my load now. But the train needs some fixing, so let's go get it fixed.
Hooray!
Let's go to the fix station. Let's go fix the train.
Hooray!
Boss, look. Our train is gone. And he also left a rocket. He probably destroyed it. Oh no. The train. He hit the rocket with it. Boss, he probably went to get the train fixed because he destroyed it with a rocket. We can go follow him. He's at the fix shop of the station.
Hooray!
Yes, that's where he will be. The train must have a lot of damage. Let's go to the fix shop. Let's go. I'm really angry. I'm gonna fix the train. Hey Wolf, what are you doing with my train? Don't break it and give me back my load. I'm fixing the train so that I can take the load wherever I want. I'm gonna go bring my boss.
Hooray!
Look, you Wolf, give me back the train. It's not yours. The load will never be yours, and you will never get it. I'm gonna take the train back right now. This is my order. I'm sorry. You can have the train. Bye. Yay, we got the train. Friends, in this train set, we have a fixing button. We also have a red light, green light button. And we have a wash the train button. I love washing the train.
Hooray!
Friends, you want to play a game? Let's spin these and see what we get.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3. Let's see what we got. We got a water hose, we got a sand castle, and we got a home. Yay! Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video.
Hooray!
If you want to see more, just click on our next video. My name is Prashant. We make new videos every day on the channel Mr. Hero.
Hooray!
So please tune in. Goodbye.